From child's pose, slowly look front again, shoulders above knees. Spread out fingers, tuck out toes, lift our knees up to downward facing dog. Lengthen the sides of your body, push your palms firmly down onto the ground. Let's inhale, look forward, take our right leg outside of our right wrist. And then if you want to, lower your left knee down onto the ground. Wiggle your left leg a little bit back. If you can, only if it's okay for you, you're going to lift your left knee off the ground. And if it's available for you, you're going to rest both your elbows down onto the ground. So holding up in this pose, lizard pose. If it's too much for you, feel free to lower your left knee onto the ground, okay? And allow your right knee to go out to the right side without lifting your right feet off the ground. So keep your right feet on the ground while your right knee is going outwards a little bit. Balance weight between your left and right side. Don't sink weight on too much on one side. Hold it here. A few more breaths. Breathe in. Engage your left front thighs. Slowly and gently bringing ourselves up onto our palms. Bringing the right leg back into downward facing dog. And slowly look front again. Let's take the left feet outside of the left wrist. Lower your right knee down. Wiggle the leg a little bit back. Again, you have the option to keep the right knee down. Or if you want to, lift your right knee up. Lower your elbows onto your wrists. Let your left knee go out to the left side without lifting your left feet off the mat. Keep your left feet on the ground. Keep engaging your right thighs. Shoulders relax. Take a few breaths here. Let the hip open up. Balance weight between your left and right side. Don't sink too much on either one side of your body. Keep it balanced in the center. Take a couple more breaths here. Slowly and gently come back onto our palms and take the left leg back into downward facing dog. And now we're gonna come into pigeon pose. Take the right knee in between the palms. Make sure your calves are going outwards. You're not sitting onto your calf this way. Your calf is coming out, and then you're gonna gently wiggle your left leg more back. And lower your left knee down, point your left toes back. Make sure your hips are square, hips are facing forward. You're not sitting down like this on your right buttocks. If this position is hard to keep balance, you're going to grab your block, cushion or towel, put it underneath your right buttocks or your right thighs to prop yourself up so that you can have your hips both facing forward, your belly button facing front. Stay here for a little while. Let's take our palms onto our own legs, lengthen our body upright. Take a few breaths here, relax our shoulders, and slowly we're going to walk our palms forward, resting our forehead down, hairline down onto the ground. Stretch our arms forward. Again, do not sink down onto your right buttocks. Both your hips are still squared. Take a few breaths here. Feel the stretch in the right outer buttocks, in your right thighs, right outer thighs. Slowly and gently look front. Walk your palms back to you. Now we're going to place the right palm in the center of our body between the left and right side. We're going to bend the left leg. Use your hands, use your left hand, grab onto your left ankles. Look front, keep both your hips square, bend your left elbow, draw the left heels closer towards your buttocks. Feel the stretch in the left front thighs. Keep breathing here. If you cannot reach your left hand, use a towel to help you. Use a towel, grab onto your ankles and your hands grab onto the edge of the towel. Staying here for a little while. Feel the stretch in the left side of your thighs. Breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly, slowly, we're gonna release our left leg. Be gentle. Don't drop the leg down too hard. Put your palm back nicely, side to side, and tuck your left toes. Come back to downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here. We're going to slowly repeat on the left side. We're going to take the left knee between the palms. Again, make sure your left calf are going out to the side. You're not sitting onto your left calf. Wiggle your right toes back and lower your right knee down. Point your right toes back. Make sure your hips are squared. You're not sitting onto the left side of your buttocks. Use a block, help you. Put it underneath your buttocks or use a cushion underneath your right thighs to help you to square your hips. Let's inhale, bringing ourselves up higher, bring our body upright. Make sure there is no tension in the lower back. And exhale, let's walk our palms forward, resting our hairline down onto the ground. Take a few breaths to rest. Feel the stretch in the left outer buttocks, in the left outer thighs. If you need the block or the cushion, keep it still there. Take a few more breaths here to rest. Make sure you have equal body weight between the left side and the right side of your body. Slowly and gently look front. Walk your palms back to you. Take your left hand in the center line of your body. Bend your right leg. Use your right hand, grab onto your ankles. Again, if you cannot reach your ankles, use a towel to help you. Look front, keep both your hips squared. Take the right knee towards the buttocks. Take the right heels towards the buttocks, as close as you can. If you can touch your heels to your buttocks, good job. Stay here, breathe for a little while. Feel the stretch in the right front thighs. Relax your shoulders. Take a few more breaths. Feel the stretch. Gently, gently. We're going to release the right leg. Be gentle. Put the palm back nicely. Let's go back to downward facing dog. Tucking our toes, toes pointing front. Engage your thighs. Push your palms down into the mat strongly. Extend your arms and your armpits. Slowly and gently lower our knees down, coming into child's pose. Toes slightly touching, knees apart. Seat our buttocks to our heels. Stretch our arms forward, hairline onto the ground. And rest here.